So hey guys, a little update. I was in Poland, as you can see on my YouTube videos, with my drone. Little update. Kind of destroyed it. You can see here the camera. So actually, what happened was that I was flying in Elbląg, one of the videos you can see, and as I was doing a side shot. Try to get the drone to fly sideways like this. What happened was that I didn't see one of the buildings. Well, I actually saw it. I just miscalculated. I thought it was a bit higher than the building. So it's a tower with the roof like this, and it's a DJI Pro 3 Mini Pro 3. And basically these sensors here, what they do is if you go head on, it'll actually stop it. There's other sensors here at the bottom, I guess, to see if when you land it slows it down. But what happened was because I was flying sideways like this, there's no sensors on this side, and surprisingly I knew I hit this side of the drone, but it actually flew down. It hit the floor, I think 40 meters in the air, and well, one of the arms is broken, the camera, but the lens is still good, so hopefully I can send it for repair and it's still going to be good. It starts. I can still recover the videos that I had. I actually didn't record at the time of impact. I actually stopped it right before, but you can see here it's a bit damaged. It's off here, and hopefully what I'll do is I'll send it for repair. It won't cost more than itself. Some of the propellers are actually damaged, you can see here also, but I made a claim online. My mistake was I didn't buy the guarantee for it, and well, I'll have to cover the cost for the flying. So if you guys ever buy these drones, even though you have all these sensors and everything, I believe that you should still get the insurance. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was $100. I always thought, hey, there's no way in a year I'm gonna damage this thing, but yeah, just lack of attention. You're thinking what kind of shot I should get, and then, well, basically this happens. Kind of really sucks. If I'm planning another vacation, I'm gonna send it for repair, and hopefully I'll get it back before, but who knows how long it's gonna take. Which is kind of cool with DJI. I live in Canada, so it's there's a place in Toronto. They send you a UPS tracking to ship it back there. I was kind of not lazy, but I was kind of busy with everything lately, so I was trying to recover the video that I have on the drone. That's why I updated a few videos. It's gonna be a while until I get another drone update. Hopefully my trip to Greece, I'm gonna be able to upload everything onto my phone. Everything is slow with me right now because I don't have a laptop. Everything is done with a Samsung S10 Plus phone, so actually all the videos, editing, music, everything is done through my phone. So just to prove to you that, you know, anybody can start doing YouTube. Started in October. I have like 240 subscribers right now, surprisingly, and hopefully I'll get some more. I'm hoping that in 5 years time I should have 1 million subscribers, hopefully, for me. If I don't, well, maybe I should change my tactic and open up a new channel. The niche for vacation is quite expensive, but listen, if you travel often and you like what you do, listen, I do it mostly for myself. It's kind of cool to show your friends also what you've been, where you've seen, and family especially, and you show them what a different view, how everything is seen from on top. So it's, you're in a plane, not really. Listen, hopefully this drone here, like I got the protecting case and everything for traveling. You know what I mean? I got the extra 3 batteries, pretty well set up. Didn't think I was gonna damage it hitting a building. I was mostly worried about the travel part of it. You know, this case actually for sure it helps while traveling, so you know it won't get damaged. Yeah, so it's just I didn't lose it, thankfully. I didn't fall into water. When I hit the wall, roof, the main thing that worried me is if it was going to hit on somebody's head, because at 30, 40, 50 meters up high, I don't remember how high I was, even though it's 249 grams with the battery, you can actually see it here on the camera here, you know, it still can hurt pretty much on somebody's head. So yeah, so hopefully keep you guys updated once I get the drone back. I'll try to still keep posting videos about what I'm doing in travel wise. Always trying to look for new adventures, so it's not always exotic places. I live in Montreal, so it's mostly where around the areas I'm probably going to be going. But yeah, it really sucks to get a drone damaged. So heads up, if you do ever plan on getting it, I suggest strongly to get an insurance for it. When you purchase it, you have 48 hours. I really didn't think I was going to use it, but hey, it is what it is, and hopefully I get monetized soon. I get some extra subscribers, people signing up to me, they like what the videos I do, they comment, and yeah, it is what it is. So guys, thank you very much for supporting me, watching my videos, commenting, really likes, especially those likes when you give it me a thumbs up, and I'll keep you up to date, see what's gonna happen with the drone, and hopefully I won't have to buy a new one. All right, thanks guys.